Hello everyone, I'm back, Minas from Offroad Zone. Today I would like to talk about the steering system of the Jeep JL and the Gladiators, right? One of our biggest complaint always been the steering system of the JL and the Gladiator. We all know the issues, and I want to quickly talk about the couple of components. So that's the reason we have all these Steer Smart products here. They have a wide range of selections to upgrade the steering system. Let's start from the truck bar, yeah? So the front truck bar we have here, adjustable truck bar. We all need the truck bars, adjustable one. If your car is lifted, we recommend to have an adjustable truck bar. The reason is we see a lot of Jeeps down there on the streets that the front axle is off. It's not centered, right? So the main reason is when you push the car up, when you lift it up, so the factory truck bar it's become short and it's pulling your axle to one side. So having an adjustable truck bar with 2.5 inch lift kit, it's recommendable. More than 2.5, let's say 3 and 3.5, or even larger suspension when you're using, it's one of the must things to have it. Yes, it's super heavy duty. Look at the size here. This is a monster, like check it out. Just for your reference, I have a factory truck bar here, just for you to see the difference. Look at the size. This thing is a beast. It's amazing product. We all face a dead wobble issue. All the Jeep owners, not even only Jeep, yeah, any solid axles in the front, sometimes they are facing the dead wobble issue. So one of the case, it can be your truck bar. Yes, there are a couple of other components like a steering stabilizer or driveline system. It can case that wobble, but from our experience, most of the time it's your truck bar when the bushing is worn out, when it's it's broken or something. So it will case a dead wobble issue. So yes, you need a truck bar if your car is lifted 2.5 and up, and second, you need an adjustable one if your car is lifted. The next thing is here, it's the driveline Griffin kit. My favorite one. Myself, I'm using this product on my both Jeep, on Jeep Gladiator and Jeep JL also. This is a totally game changer. So what it does, it's your regular driveline kit that comes with attenuator here, right? So this goes from your steering knuckle, from the knuckle goes to the pitman arm. Pitman arm is the one that goes on your steering box. That means a lot of negative feedback driving on a bumpy road, on a gravel, off-roading, desert, even daily use, yeah? So having this attenuator Griffin system will improve the on-road and off-road performance, and it will give you a lot of stability for the road. So basically every negative impact from the bumpy road, it comes and stops right here without putting an extra pressure to your steering system or a pitman arm. We have with the huge ball joints here. It comes with 30 millimeter, 2.5 ton ball joint system. The rubber boots replaceable, we always have them in stock. So I would say it's one of the must-have product for every Jeepers that they're doing off-road. Not only off-roading, as I said, even it improves the stability and the performance for the highway and gives a lot of smooth steering wheel feeling, yeah. Tie rod system, it's right here. Again, it's a super heavy duty. Just to compare with the factory size, when you see the OEM Mopar tie rod system comparing with this big guy here, it's a day and night difference. So if you want to upgrade your steering system, I would say those are the three important parts. Front truck bar, steering driveline system with the Griffin, and the tie rod system. So now a lot of people are asking questions, what about my steering stabilizer? So Steer Smart, they offer a wide range of different brackets that you can use with your OEM steering stabilizer, or we have the clamp on if you have some aftermarket, Fox ATS, Falcon, or any aftermarket product. So we have all the solutions. There are all the brackets that you can convert it to make it together. Next thing here is the power steering box brace kit. Yeah, this gives a lot of support to your steering box. Sway bar, end links. Look at these boys here. Amazing product. I have this on my JL, past 1.5 years, super happy about it. So to cut it short again, to cover up everything, Yes, we know that JL steering system, it needs a lot of upgrade. So I would suggest to start with the drag link and tie rod kit. Truck bar is recommendable with any lifted car. 2.5 inch, it's not must, but we recommend to have it. That will help us to align the front axle to center it. Yeah, that's it for now. Next video, we're gonna cover up a lot of, again, steering related things. So that's gonna be on the next video. Thank you so much. See you next time.